A press conference was arranged by the Udta Punjab team after the verdict of the Bombay High Court. Present at the venue were actor Shahid Kapoor, Alia Bhatt, Anurag Kashyap, Diljit Dosanjh and director Abhishek Chaubey.
Honestly, completely unaware about what you're stating. We're actually here feeling very proud and very happy about what has happened yesterday. And I think the honorable bench has given a decision which I have huge respect for. I actually even appreciate the one cut that they have given. I appreciate it. Although from a personal point of view, I would have wanted this film to pass without any cuts. And the shot that has been cut is mine. But from a neutral point of view, I think what we need to learn from what has been said is that we have the freedom to express ourselves, but we need to be responsible. So I think that's a very nice balance, and it was a very, 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 very nice decision that was taken. And to me, that is definitive of the question that was raised with the film Udta Punjab. And to me, the issue should end there. And I'm unaware of what you have spoken about, so I can't comment on it. And we're sitting here saying that we're releasing on the 17th of June, which goes to show that we are moving forward after what has happened yesterday.
You don't know how happy I was yesterday when I got that SMS that we have passed Udta Punjab with A certificate with one cut. I was so delighted. And that just shows that eventually you may have to fight for things that you believe in, but with the judiciary and the court and the judges, we did what we wanted to do. And I feel so happy because I'm a director's daughter, and to know the fact that what a director has to go through when you're saying ki ye nikalo, wo nikalo, ye nikalo, wo nikalo. It's like you don't understand. The feeling is like your intestines, everything goes all turning all over. So I'm just really happy that we've reached this stage, and yeah, now we can just smile and have the film released.
That's a fact. I was part of water, and I remember there's a group of people who protested against water. That group was formed overnight when the protest started. It was called Kashi Suraksha Sangharsh Samiti. I still remember that day. It did not exist the day before. So these things happen, and these things happen all around. So you can't, because people sometimes jump in. It's like some random person will file a case somewhere just because he fancies a star, and he'll put a case against Shahid because he wants to see Shahid. And when Shahid would go there, all he'll say, "Sir, can I get a selfie?" You know, those kind of things happen across the country. Somewhere we are the soft target, and I think somewhere we should stand up and say, "Stop making us the soft target." It's very easy to pick anything against someone and say that कि यार इन्होंने ये कह दिया या वो बोल दिया और हम ऑफेंड हो गए. हम तो सारा दिन ट्विटर पे कोई ना कोई हमको ऑफेंड करता रहता है.
फिल्म चूज़ करने का मेरा एक ही कारण था कि ये पंजाब की पिक्चर थी. मैं एकदम से आके कोई मराठी पिक्चर के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ या कोई हिंदी लैंग्वेज के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ तो वो फेयर नहीं होगा, क्योंकि मैं यहाँ से रिलेट नहीं करता. तो पंजाब की पिक्चर थी और पिक्चर अच्छी लिखी हुई है. बाजी ने जैसे मुझे सुनाई अभिषेक सर ने, तो मुझे लगता है कि ये मेरा बेस्ट मुझे लगता है डेब्यू होना चाहिए. कल किसी ने ट्वीट भी किया था कि फाइनली वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड. सो क्योंकि कल वर्डिक्ट आया, सो दैट्स व्हाई. सो नो डाउट मेरा एक ही कारण था कि ये फिल्म पंजाब से जुड़ी हुई है, इसीलिए मैंने पिक्चर